Errors in a financial model make it look unprofessional, unreliable, and simply not user-friendly. In today's video, we will go over how to avoid the divided by zero error in Excel. Before we start, if you'd like to see more videos from us, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification button. Also, visit our website, efinancialmodels.com. In this worksheet, we have a simple table showing the quarterly dollar sales in column C and the dollar gross profit in column D. Column E contains the gross profit as percentage of sales or gross profit margin. Notice the table contains a divided by zero error. Excel shows this error when a number is divided by a zero. Remember, in math class, dividing a number by zero is a mathematical impossibility. But in this table, the divided by zero error appears because there is no data yet for the third and fourth quarter. It does not mean there is a real error in the table, but simply there is no available data yet. However, showing this error in a financial model is not wise. It doesn't give value to the end user, and worse, it may give them the impression that the model is wrong and unreliable. We can use the IFERROR function to fix the divided by zero error. The IFERROR function has two arguments, the value and the value if error. The value argument is the original formula, gross profit divided by sales. The value if error, that is the value to display if the first argument, the value argument, is an error. Since the quarterly data is not available yet, we will use the text NA. When the value argument results in an error, the if error will catch it and return the text NA. Otherwise, it will return the result of the formula gross profit divided by sales. The divided by zero error no longer appears and instead is replaced by a more appropriate value. The IFERROR function was first introduced in 2007 and is available in 2007 and later versions of Excel. Before the IFERROR function, the combination of the if and ISERROR function was a go-to option. You can say the if and ISERROR combination is the predecessor of the IFERROR. Bear in mind that both if and ISERROR combination and the IFERROR function produce the same results. So let's apply the combination of the if and ISERROR functions in this case. The ISERROR function has only one argument. For value, input the original formula, gross profit divided by sales. The ISERROR function is an information function and returns true if an error is found, otherwise false. But of course, we don't want to display this type of results in a financial model. We want to display the gross profit margin and avoid the divided by zero error. To do so, we will insert the if function. The if function's logical test is the ISERROR with the original formula. The value if true, that is the value if an error is found, we will still use the text NA for not available. The value if false, that is the value if no error is found, is the original formula. As you can see, the IFERROR function and the if and ISERROR combination serve the same purpose. It's up to you which one to use. Both IFERROR function and the if and ISERROR combination work for fixing all type of errors. The if error is a newer function with a shorter formula. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.